Hello, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial today on how to use a light microscope. Once you get your microscope to your seat, you're going to want to turn on the power source. This turns on the light that's going to shine up through your specimen. You've got two ways to control the amount of light. Over here on the side is a dimmer switch. You can crank it up to have more light or down. Also, this is the stage. Underneath, there's a little silver lever. This lever controls, it's called the iris diaphragm, and it's going to control the amount of light shining up through your specimen. It works very much like the iris of your eye. You can open it up really, really wide to allow for more light, or you can close it to reduce the amount of light. There's two rules of thumb. You will have to increase the amount of light as you go up in magnification. The second rule of thumb is only use as much light as you need to see your specimen. You don't need more than that. If you have a long microscopy day and the light is blinding and flashing into your eyes, you're going to get a headache. Once you have your microscope on, you always start with the smallest scanning objective lens. This one has a red rim around it. You're going to start with this lens in place. You can turn the revolving nose piece to get that lens there. You're going to take your slide. If it needs cleaning, you can go ahead and just use a lens wipe, or you can use an alcohol pad to clean up the slide if it needs it. You're going to take your slide and you're going to place it on the stage using these stage clips. So you move the stage clip out of the way, put the slide in place, and gently release the stage clip. Underneath the stage, this is the mechanical stage apparatus. Notice the two knobs are going to move the slide. You want to center your specimen over the light shining through that condenser. Once you have it centered, you want to raise the stage by turning the coarse adjustment knob all the way up. The easiest way to get your specimen in focus is while looking through the ocular. You're going to turn the knob towards you to get your specimen in focus. Once you have your specimen in focus, using the scanning objective lens, which is only 40x magnification, you may want to go to a higher lens. You do this by rotating the revolving nose piece clockwise. You want to rotate till the yellow lens, which is the low power objective lens, clicks into place. This is going to give you a total magnification of 100x. These microscopes are parfocal, meaning that when you change lenses, you shouldn't need to adjust the focus. They should mostly be in focus. So once again, while looking through your ocular, go ahead and focus using this time the fine focus adjustment knob. Once you've made all of your observations using that low power objective lens, you might want to go higher magnification still. So you're going to once again turn the revolving nose piece clockwise until now the blue lens clicks in place. This is the high power objective lens. It is the strongest lens in these microscopes. So you now have a 400x magnification. When you do this, depending upon how much light you had, you may want to increase the amount of light, once again using the dimmer switch, or you can open up the iris diaphragm. The idea is that you want contrast and to see your specimen clearly. Once you've completed looking at your specimen, you want to make sure that you remember to take the slide off of the stage and return the slide back to the slide case. To store the microscope, we store the microscope with that scanning objective lens in place, that little short one. Also, this means this lens is going to be in place next time you use it. You're going to turn off the light source, wrap the cord, and then don't forget to put the cover on.